everybody, it's an Halloween guide, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the wires together on for a button. This is the snowman with the globe. I know I use this clip right here, but that doesn't always work, so I'm going to be using this stuff. This is the stuff I used on my saxophone Santa for the speaker. And it's still working good now. It's called liquid tape. So what you gotta do is open it, get the wires together. See, they're all connected here. Yeah. So then what you do is you I'm actually gonna make these a little bit better. Hold on a bit. And I gotta strip these. I don't know how long this video is gonna be, by the way. There you go. Sometimes you gotta use your teeth. So, and what you do is you connect the wires together. I wish I can really pause this so I can do a better job. I twist, lock it, that, there we go. And the other wire, do the same thing, you gotta like that. It's a crazy wire. Okay. So now, you get this stuff, and you could take some of it off. And then now, there's a big chance of it sticking to whatever surface you're using. And yeah, there we go. And what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna set it on something. I'm gonna set right, and they're touching each other, so that's not good. There we go. That'll work right there. So yeah, and then it works, and then tomorrow it'll be good to go, and I'll put it back together. Anyways, I'll see you guys later.